Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to use USB headset on PlayStation 5. Let's go. Is it possible to connect a USB headset to the PlayStation 5? Yes. How? Just like the mini jack headset. We connect only the mini 3.5 jack to the controller and the USB headset to the console itself. After connecting, press the PlayStation button. Sound. Output device. Choose your USB headset. It's the same with the microphone. That's it. Now you know how to use USB headset on PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.